What is going on, guys? Today we're gonna be unboxing. I have here a recently purchased from eBay a used Nintendo Switch. Let's see what we have in the box. We have a HDMI cable. We have the AC adapter. We have the dock. And here we have the Nintendo Switch. Just a few minor scratches. We have the neon red joystick. We have the blue joystick. And then we also got two games. We have the Mortal Kombat 11 and we have the Super Smash Bros. Alright guys, well there you have it. Thanks a lot for watching and see you on the next video.